Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove frequently used stickers on iPhone. And here's how it's done. To get started, open the Messages app and select a conversation for reference. There are two ways to access stickers. Tap the emoji icon in the bottom left corner. You will first see recent emojis. Tap the small folded sticker icon in the same corner to bring up your stickers. Alternatively, tap the plus icon and select stickers to jump directly into the stickers section. If there's a specific sticker you want to remove, for example, one you have created but no longer want, tap and hold on it. Then release. Tap the delete button at the top right to remove it. To completely disable stickers from your keyboard, open the Settings app. Go to General, Keyboard. Scroll to the bottom and find the Stickers section. Turn off the toggle for emoji stickers and stickers from your keyboard. Now, when you open the emoji panel in Messages, the stickers section will no longer appear, keeping your keyboard uncluttered. You can still access stickers manually via the plus icon if needed. And that's everything to know about how to remove frequently used stickers on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.